Can't find the calendar in Salesforce? Yeah, it is frustrating. You hop into Lightning, you look at your navigation bar, and it's just not there. It's hidden by default, which feels like a weird choice, right? Well, in about 30 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to add it so it's always right where you need it. Here's the plan. We're going to customize the navigation bar by clicking that little pen icon, search for calendar, and then pin it in place. Let's jump right in. All right, so you're on your Salesforce homepage. Look up to the top right corner of your navigation bar, the one with all your main tabs. See that little pencil icon? It's usually right next to the plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This is your Edit button, your key to customizing exactly what you see every day. Once you click that pen, a window pops up. It's showing you all the items currently in your navigation bar. But we want to add more, so you're going to look for a button that says Add More Items and click on it. This opens up the full library of everything Salesforce can put on that bar. Now, you're probably looking at a long, messy list of everything from accounts to Zooms. Trying to scroll through that is a pain. So look to the top of that list and you'll see a few tabs. One says Selected Items, one says All. Click on All. This just shows you every single available app and tool, which makes finding things way easier. And here's the really important part. See that search box right above the list? Click inside it and type in the word Calendar. As you type, the list filters down instantly. You should see Calendar pop right up in the results. In my experience, this is the step people miss. They try to scroll and hunt instead of just using the search. It's a lifesaver. Once you see Calendar in that list, go ahead and click on it. You'll see it gets highlighted. Now, look down near the bottom of that window. There's a button that says Add One Nav Item. Click that. You'll see Calendar disappear from the list on the left, and if you look at the area on the right where your current nav items are, it should show up there. We're so close. Now, you can't just close the window and hope it saves. It won't. You have to lock it in. Look down at the bottom right corner and click that big blue Save button. Salesforce will take a second to process, and then the window will close. And that's it. Look at your navigation bar now. Calendar should be sitting right there with all your other apps. No more hunting, no more digging through menus. You can click it and go straight to your schedule. I've done this for so many teams, and it's always the same sigh of relief when it finally appears. Go ahead and give it a try.